Hi everyone, I'm Nithya Raju, product owner of Agility Insights. As part of our Agility Insights Tech Corner, we want to showcase the know-how for the key features. Today, we want to discuss about OKRs, Objective Key Results. We have with us our Chief Technology Officer, Srikanth Vikshri. Srikanth, could you please tell us a little bit about our Agility platform and the OKRs from your lens?
Sure. Thank you, Nithya, for the introduction. So as part of this episode, we are trying to have a tech corner or know-how feature, some of the key capabilities. Either it could be a AI features or it could be one of the modernized capabilities of our platform. So we are planning to give some showcase demo. So before I get into the details, so I just want to give a very quick overview. What's all about our platform? So Agility Insights is a strategy execution platform powered by advanced AI features. All our AI features are all driven by flag driven, meaning you can turn on, turn off based on the needs. That helps organizations accelerate execution and deliver results. It aligns teams at all levels, from leadership to delivery, so they can manage projects, drive change, achieve key goals like OKRs, KRs means key results, and KPIs. Our focus is on breaking down silos, enhancing collaboration, and enabling agile ways of working to drive measurable business outcome. So that's about at the high level about our platform. In other words, Agility Insights brings strategy management, team management, change management, and project management all in one box. In other words, four in one box into one unified platform. It's easy to integrate with the tools like Jira, ADO, or any other project management tools. We can try to bring the data, we can try to have two-way sync, and making it a unique and a specialized solution you won't easily find anywhere. So that's going to be our secret sauce of our platform. So instead of going through all the capabilities about the platform, so today we are going to walk through one key feature. It's one of them is called OKR, Objective Key Results.